shingle, which is discontinued due to not being pliable. But that's a conversation for another day. But basically, here we go. I will try to be as gentle as possible with these shingles. Try not to go over a 45-degree angle. Here we go. Matting transfer. You can see I am being as gentle as possible with these shingles, even though they are extremely brittle. I almost wish you guys were here in person. That way you could hear the fiberglass cracking. Barely lifting these up for you guys. There's no doubt in your minds that I was lifting them vertically. Alright guys, for the purposes of this video, I will be using a standard 3-tab. Obviously you can't go to a supplier, Home Depot, or Lowe's and get an Atlas Chalet shingle. Therefore, just for the purposes, like I said, we will be using this standard 3-tab. We will be as gentle as possible with these shingles, obviously not trying to go over a 45-degree angle or anything. Just keep in mind the industry standard obviously is a nail gun. Therefore, you know, they will be lifting these shingles more than I will. But basically, I will be as gentle as possible. Like I explained before, these shingles are extremely brittle. And as I can show you really quick, you know, just in the removal process, there was some creasing that was caused, you know. And obviously y'all saw me be as gentle as possible with these shingles. But basically here it goes. Possible with these shingles. All right, as you guys can see, this is after I gently did this repairability video. You watched me not go over a 45-degree angle and be as gentle as possible with these shingles. Obviously, you can see the creasing going on right there. Almost every single shingle is creased. 4 seems to have held up all right. Here, hold this. Just get close up right here. 4 seems to have held up all right. 3 was obviously most of it's creased right here. 4, or this is 2 actually, creased. 1 creased. 7 creased as well. See, 6 creased, 5 is creased as well. Like I said, he watched me be as gentle as possible with these shingles. In my professional opinion, obviously these shingles are non-repairable, you know, because we're causing basically more damage by trying to fix one wind crease shingle that was down here. Now we have more crease shingles, and basically, you know, it's obviously not repairable. This shingle's not pliable.